What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Candy. We are here for another Minding Other Folks Business video. Our reactions, our actions, the things we say, please don't take it to heart. We just two Aries queens up here. Mind other folks'
Right.
business and whatever we say, whatever come up, come out, we don't mean no harm. Just take it for light, a little light fun, a little light shade. We don't know these people, but we're doing the best we can to bring y'all some entertainment on a different scale. So we're going to court with these people, and that's what we're going to do. What's going on, Aries? How are you?
Oh, what's up, Candy? I'm doing good, and I can't wait to get back in the courtroom and see what the case is gonna be bringing to the people this afternoon. So make sure that y'all hashtag and replay gang if y'all not watching it live. You know, we want to see y'all in the comments. But yeah, make sure you liking up the video, and we about to get ready for court. So silence your phones and all rise.
Wow, the honorable judges, Candy and Aries are coming to the stage.
Okay,
All right.
we
So
need
like the
that.
video, share, and subscribe while the intro video plays.
I don't wanna play no games, play no games. For real, don't give you my last name. I know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, 'cause baby, you got it, girl, you got
Hey,
I knew it was something I didn't do, but
you was
it's
like,
okay, and we're
hey,
here.
right,
I'm like somebody
something
didn't do their job. Yeah,
production
yeah. Let me fire my producer.
for
Fire,
real. What you
fire your
mean?
ass. You, you didn't click your button.
Right.
All right, y'all. So we're
Oh.
gonna go to court with these good people. So it's a family court. Judge gives up when confronted with mom's stupidity. All right, let's
Mm-mm-mm.
see what's going on here. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty.
When I went out there to Indiana with him, he pushed me through the wall.
And you said he pushed you through a wall?
Yes. He's bitten me before, just a lot of aggression.
You said bit? Like with his
That's what
teeth?
she said. She said bit. If that's not family violence, what do you call that, ma'am? If that's not, if you don't think that's family violence, what do you believe that is?
This thing
Okay.
starting off strong.
Off the gate, right
What
out the
you say?
gate.
Your Honor, the parties have a partial agreement on a temporary order, standard possession with exchanges take place at the police department near the custodial parent, FaceTime visitation as mutually agreed between the parties, um, child support $208 per month starting May 1st, medical support $113 per month starting May 1st, the custodial parent to apply for or maintain a government health plan. And then the contested issues would be family violence, conservatorship, and whether there should be a non-disclosure in favor of Ms. Muldrow. On the contested issue as to family violence, the state calls Ms. Muldrow. Ma'am, has there been any sort of family violence between you and Mr. Suttles previously?
No.
Have you ever called the police on him or gotten a protective or restraining order against him?
No.
Has he ever called the police on you or gotten a protective or restraining order against you to your knowledge?
No.
Has there ever been any incident where he put his hands on you, hit you, threw something at you, anything of that sort?
Yes.
Okay, when was the last month and year?
I'm gonna say February after the baby was born. When I went out there to Indiana with him, he pushed me through the wall.
Okay, so that would have been February of 2023.
Yes.
Did he initiate the aggression or did you?
He did.
And you said he pushed you through a wall?
Yes.
And the police were not called?
I got a question. If that's not family violence, what do you call that, ma'am? If that's not, if you don't think that's family violence, what do you believe that is?
No, I do think that.
Violence is
Oh, I
not.
thought he meant like recently, but yes, I do think that's family violence.
And I have another question, and I'll ask the gentleman as well. Where is he presently? What state is he in?
I think Indiana.
You need to sit still.
And
Again, we got a
has
walker
he
on our
always lived
hands.
in Indiana, or has he ever lived in Texas?
Both. I thought he was just in Texas. I didn't know he was back in Indiana.
When the child was born and conceived, was he in Texas or Indiana?
Texas.
Okay. And was this child, I said born or conceived, but the child was born in Texas, I know, but conceived in Texas?
Yes.
Together in Texas as a family unit after the baby was born?
No.
Okay. Go ahead, Counselor.
So besides that incident in, you said February or so of 2023, were there any other incidents of family violence between you and Mr. Suttles?
Yes, while I was pregnant.
And when would be the date of that?
Probably when I was 6 or 7 months. I don't really remember.
And the
2023.
So 6 or 7 months, probably around September, October of 2022. I'll move on. So what exactly happened on that incident?
Pushing. He's bitten me before. Just a lot of aggression.
You said bit, like the bit.
Bit. And let me set my timer. How much time are you asking?
Why are you smiling?
No more than 10 minutes.
Okay, go ahead.
And there's also been death threats that I have proof of.
Death
Keep your face in the screen, sir. Keep your face in the screen. Go ahead, Counsel.
So you said he's sent death threats, like text messages to you or to family members, or what?
No, he texted me and said he would have my people dead. That's why I don't want him to know where I stay at.
Okay.
Okay. Got my face itching.
Why? Because you up here looking at this man
Go ahead,
shaped
Aries.
like
You
a
got
sweet
something to say?
potato. Yeah, I'm just like, why is he smiling when it get to you biting? Oh my gosh, like that's just so.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
And then you threaten people, family members over text, like.
Right. You're not gonna pull up.
If that's not evidence, I don't know what.
Right.
Come on.
Ooh, on top of that, yeah.
We got to be good
Not
at
only
it
are
as
you not gonna
a.
pull up, but it's incriminating.
I don't understand.
Mm-mm.
I have questions, but I'm not gonna do it. Because in light of
What about the mom? The mom do
Diddy
seem
and Cassie,
kind
I ain't got much to say. Come on, let's press play.
All pass to witness and call Mr. Suttles.
I got a question. The death threats, isn't the baby part of your people? You're not concerned about visitation of the child with him if this is what you're alleging?
No. He's seen her when he came out. He came out here in December of 2023. I let her go with him in February. There was an incident where he gave her NyQuil.
Wait a minute. Keep your face in the screen, sir. Go ahead. There was an incident where what?
That he gave her NyQuil that I have messages of. And after that, I just stopped letting her spend the night because I don't know if he was trying to put her to sleep or whatever.
You just agreed to overnight visit.
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
but I don't know if I don't know how the court stuff works. I don't know if he has to see her overnight or if he just has to visit her. I don't know how it works.
That would have been questions you could have been when you discussed your case with counsel. You could have been.
I was going to say that like this.
So
I thought about it before.
This is what I'm asking you now, and I'm going to ask him some of the same questions. Do you or do you not have concerns about your daughter spending the night with father over the weekend?
Yes, I have concerns. If he's not.
And did you express that to the attorney when you discussed the case?
Yes, I told him if he's not stable, then I have concerns. And he hasn't.
How would you know if he's stable or not? How would you personally know?
From what I've been knowing for the past couple of weeks, he hasn't been stable.
Okay, so wait, let's stop. So now in your opinion, you're saying he's not stable. So why did you agree to overnight visits, summer vacation, spring vacation, and rotating holidays if you have those concerns and you said you expressed it to the state's attorney? Why did you just agree to that?
No, I agree. When I talked to the attorney, I agree. I don't want her going out of state. I didn't know he was out of state until he just told me. I thought he was still out here.
Ma'am, when you came before me right now, this second, you're saying in the breakout room you didn't know this.
I'm confusion. What's going on with our sister over here?
I think the lights is on, but ain't nobody home. Cause it ain't no way. And then the brother down here, he just smiling like, yeah, they ain't about to give me no damn custody. Like he happy.
Yeah. Okay, so you baby NyQuil, you threatening her family over text message. Like, sir, what is going on with you? So why are you giving the baby NyQuil? The baby, they make NyQuil for babies.
He don't care.
Why are you giving that baby NyQuil?
Cause it go night. That's all he knows.
I'm so confused.
Right. But what kills
the baby
me with
was
the
born
girl,
in what, 23?
That baby ain't even a whole year. You already giving her for something that's for 6 and up.
Yeah, like, sir.
But the mom,
she gave the baby NyQuil.
Why it seemed like she really don't want to be bothered with the child either. She's giving me she want to have a hot girl summer. So she trying to get relinquish custody somehow.
Yeah. Seems like she and if you're concerned about your child, why you hadn't told anybody this? The people that you need to talk to, why you hadn't told them this? The people that have you've been talking to, sometimes people talk too much. Sometimes they don't talk enough. I don't understand.
I think her plans can change recently. Somebody
Y'all say everything else.
Somebody said we going on a cruise. Can you go this summer? Right. She like, well, yeah. Now I think that it's okay for her to go over nighttime. Yeah, I think it's okay.
And look at him. Look like he just got off of work from the steel plant. Look, yeah, his welder hat on. They make good money, but sir, I'm gonna need you to get your shit together. They make good money. I ain't tripping about that now. I'm just saying that's how he look. Like you could have took that scarf off your head and unzip your hood or took that hoodie off or something. Well, maybe that scarf might be the best thing for him. Ain't no telling. It might be sticker bras under there. Oh, hell, let me press play. Go on to the next thing.
Right.
Gentleman was in Indiana?
No. I just.
Okay, now hold up. My next question. So you have concerns incidents happen, whether it's here or in Indiana, right?
Look at the judge.
I don't want her going to Indiana, but if he's
got that. Can an incident of harm happen right here in this state?
I no.
It couldn't. So if father was here in Texas and he had overnight, he couldn't give her NyQuil again in this state?
I would hope not. I
didn't ask you if you hope not. Could he?
I don't know.
You don't know. So my point is that it seems like you might be missing, but maybe you're not. You just don't want to answer. People can harm a child in Texas, Indiana, 50 states, New Mexico, Cuba, if they have the child in their possession. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So if you have concerns, to me, that's just me, look like you would have the concern whether the child is in Indiana or Texas. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So your concern is only if he takes the child to Indiana. There's absolutely no concern. I'm trying to make sure I understand if the child is here in Texas with dad.
No, I had concern after he gave her NyQuil. That's why I stopped letting her go to his house.
That's my point. That's my point. So whether he's in Texas, Indiana, or Chicago, if you have a concern, it doesn't matter what location that is, would it? What other questions you have?
She threw.
I don't have any other questions for Miss.
Okay, hold a minute. There's a judge.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to throw judgment on her. Maybe she's nervous.
Right, maybe.
Maybe she's nervous. Maybe she's not listening to understand. Maybe, seeing him on the screen, she's nervous. Maybe the judge makes her nervous. Maybe Gabriel makes her nervous. I don't know. I don't want to judge her too harshly. However, baby girl, you cute, but that's about it. I'm sorry.
She was like,
Aries, you leaving me alone in this?
No. I'm confused. I can't wait to see what the man got to say, because she definitely is, like you said, listening just to respond. She ain't listening to comprehend at all. I think she's just, you made another good point about possibly being intimidated by the person that was putting hands, feet, and teeth on her.
And her
okay,
hands and feet on her.
Yeah, and teeth. So, yeah, maybe she just got her shit. Yeah, I want to see what he's gonna be saying, because clearly he can't.
Maybe that's what
really
it is.
Follow orders either, because he won't stay his butt in the camera.
Okay, like you said, the lights on, but ain't nobody home.
Ain't nobody home.
Hey, they. Okay.
Small trouble.
Okay. Well, I got a ton for Dad, so he can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What state are you in?
Right now I'm in Indiana.
How long have you been in Indiana?
Just got here last night.
Okay. Are you planning on staying there, sir? Or are you planning on return? Where did you leave from? You came
from Garland.
Okay, from Garland, Texas. Do you plan on visiting Indiana? Is that your home state? Or are you planning on staying in Indiana? What?
I recently got approved for an apartment in my name, and I can't move in until May 7th. So I'm
in what state?
Texas, in Garland.
So you're just visiting?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Did you hear her allegation about NyQuil and she's discussed that with you? Did you do that?
It wasn't NyQuil. It was cold. Actually,
What?
am I allowed to show
It was
exactly what it
codeine.
was?
No, just tell me.
It was mucus and cold relief for
Oh,
plus 6 months infants.
Okay.
And I got it.
Okay. You heard her testify about family violence. Have you bit her before?
No, I haven't.
Have you pushed her into the wall?
Yes, after she hit me, I did give her a shove, but she tripped over the bed and fell into the wall. I didn't push her into the wall.
And she was pregnant.
No, she was not pregnant.
Okay.
I was holding my daughter in her car seat at this time. This was in March.
And who initiated that incident?
She did. She got mad at an argument that happened in the car walking in, while I was walking into the apartment at my mom's house.
Pause.
oh my God. This sounds so stressful.
So
Ugh.
young. No, I tell you, I'm so glad I didn't. I done did
Man.
some shit in my day, but
Ooh.
I'm so glad I am not in that place anymore. When I say thank you, Jesus, hallelujah,
Okay.
because I done put the fluffers on somebody too. You know,
Right.
you be young and you be wanna put the fluffers on them and thinking, shoot, it ain't right. Because you
Right.
don't want nobody to touch you yet until you want to touch somebody. So she touched him. He pushed her,
Pushed her through the wall.
and then she tripped over the bed and fell into the wall. That's a whole lot, ain't it? That's a whole lot.
That's a lot.
But
That
we
sounds a
be
little
dramatic a lot
extra.
of times. It don't even be all that.
Right.
But we be dramatic now. He ain't had no business touching her, and vice versa. However, I do know we can be dramatic. LeBron James and just fall out. I'm sorry. Did I say that? LeBron? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that.
Brian didn't
But
call us stray.
we just flop.
Right. Just
We just
flopping all
flop.
over the
We do all kind of stuff. They could just turn around hard and we just do all kind of stuff. But baby girl, you you tripped over the bed and into the wall. That was a lot. That was like excess. I ain't gonna say. You know what? I'm not victim blaming. Just forget it. Let me be quiet. I can't. I can't win. This ain't even my battle. It's the Lord.
This is the Lord's battle, right? This is the Lord's work.
But I've been young. I've been young and dumb before. But I tell you what, now I learned my lesson. Keep your hands to yourself.
For real, huh?
Oh Jesus! Press play. Move on to the next thing, Claudia. Okay,
Next
I'm
thing,
moving.
Claudia.
Okay. Are there any other incidents where she put hands on you first?
Yes.
For instance, when?
It was a time when she used to have like outbursts of anger, and she would just like throw stuff around the house, or like she'll literally just swing. And like first of all, I don't hit women. I had to deal with that like growing up. Like my mom used to get it, so I don't take that lightly. I don't like being accused of that. So if she would like swing at me, all I do is grab her. And the only reason I shoved her that one time is because I had a baby in my hand. Like I had her car seat holding it like this, and she was just swinging and pulling at my hoodie. I still have the hoodie with the rip in it, showing the cotton that she ripped it and everything.
Evidence, Your Honor.
Has she ever been arrested for any family violence towards you?
No, I never called the police anything.
Have you ever been granting restraining orders or protective orders against her?
No, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And when's the last time you had the baby?
January 9th, 2024.
Okay. Did you keep the baby overnight?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
How many nights?
I got her that Friday, dropped her back on Sunday, so 2 nights.
Did you keep the baby before? Over.
I got her the weekend before that, and that's it. It was just those 2 weekends.
Did you keep the baby overnight ever last year?
No.
Okay. And you're requesting to keep the baby overnight in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go ahead, counsel.
Well, Your Honor, I think you asked all my questions for me. I just want to clarify, Mr. Suttles, you do have concrete plans to move to Texas soon, correct? You said that?
Yes, sir.
Do you have an approximate move-in date?
Yeah.
No, but I know I can move in May 7th. So May 7th.
Okay.
Okay, I was about to say.
That's already been approved by the leasing office?
Yes.
Okay. And if your address and phone number appear this or Mr. Suttles, would that give you any safety concerns for yourself or the child?
No safety concerns.
Okay. Okay.
And have you ever put your hands on him? He just testified.
No, I have not.
Why did he say that about you?
I don't know.
I'm sorry, why
I'm
can't
calling you, Miss Jasmine. Can you hear me?
Now I can.
I said you've never put your hands on him, not even one time.
No.
And sir, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And Jasmine, where you at?
And you told the council about your alleged family violence regarding her.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna find mutual family violence.
Right.
Mutual family violence and mutual non-disclosures. Mutual family violence and mutual non-disclosure findings.
That's the right thing to do.
Right.
Because of that, and not be joint managing. And because of that, no geographical restrictions. There'll be sole managing conservatorship. The mother already have the police station is to drop off and pick up. So presently, do you already FaceTime with the child? Because how old is the baby?
She's 1.
Oh, okay. I'm not going to approve any FaceTimes. What else you got, counsel?
Right.
The court
You
calls
need to
attest to the
FaceTime.
dad.
Court costs would be reserved for
Oh,
final
yes.
since it's a temporary.
Thank you. You're free to go.
So that I get no FaceTime calls?
No FaceTime, but you get standard. Typically, I don't do standard visitations until age 3. So you've already had started to some degree. So I will allow that to continue. Okay?
Okay.
You're free to go. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Candy. Yeah, you don't need to get no FaceTime access,
Honey.
because what you're gonna be doing is harassing until the child can answer you on FaceTime. You don't need to be FaceTime. If you gotta call my phone to do it, then it ain't happening, Captain. Because clearly neither one of them is a good parent. Yeah, I feel bad for the kid because, geez, like, with parents like these two.
And they're still young, and it's like, okay, but I would, I would call it down the middle. Both of y'all could be, held, labeled as violent or whatever the term is. I don't know. But yeah, they just call it down the middle because she said, he said. Let's just say both of y'all are. Pretty much that's all you can do with that one. I just hate the child has to be put in that position. It's just a little newborn, but a little, not newborn, but a young baby. And nobody ever wants to see a young child deal with family violence at that age or at any age. But I don't know.
They need to get it together.
She ain't like she was always there.
No, I don't think she was.
She
and then
like her she had no
nothing. She was just sitting there like this the whole time while he was talking. Then when the judge asked her, have she ever put hands on him? All of a sudden, we looking at the fan. Now you MIA.
Right.
Now you MIA. You
Like,
can't
come
be
on,
seen no
Keisha, and
more.
talk.
I'm like,
Whatever.
okay. It's giving guilt.
Yeah. Very much so.
It was
It's
giving
crazy.
guilt.
All right,
Yeah,
y'all good
poach
people.
time.
That was another minding other folks' business case. And we're going to do hashtag what, Aries?
I'm going to say hashtag the lights is on. Meaning the lights is on, but ain't nobody home. Put a light bulb in the chat. Put a little house in the chat, because clearly this girl was just up in there dazed and out of it. She was just dazed. Oh, and hashtag NyQuil. Hashtag
Yeah,
NyQuil.
lights is on. Yeah, hashtag NyQuil. Yeah. Hashtag fluffers, because they was putting hands and feet on each other.
Well,
And yeah,
they
hashtag
were
fluffers.
moving furniture.
FLUFFAS, fluffers.
Right.
Yes,
Oh
yes,
my
yes, yes.
God.
But this was a decent episode. It was short and sweet. To the point, the judge was tired and aggravated, and I was too. Because that young lady, she was she was lights was on. Nobody
Right.
was there.
She was just
And on
like,
that note, good people,
hey.
we are out of this thing.